Hello, YouTube. I know it's a little dark. However, I apologize, but I just want to do a little video. Before I do my live video, I just want to do a quick video in dedication of a transgender woman by the name of Paris Valentina Carta, who passed away yesterday after a tragic car crash that killed her and injured the passenger driver. Um, Before I show a few pictures of her, um, I'm pretty sure she is a famous a famous model on social media. I don't know too much about her. I'm still trying to learn and find out more about her. But from my understanding, I'm guessing she was a famous model, very well known in the LGBT world. Probably like the ballroom scene and stuff like that. Um, I've caught a few Facebook Live broadcasts from her. After seeing her pictures posted on social media, like on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and stuff like that. And like I said, I didn't really know who she was. I just seen pictures. So one day I ended up finding out her name and decided to follow her on her Facebook page. And every time her live broadcast, every time her name would pop up saying she is live, I would go check it out, see who she is, stuff like that. And I know it's about like maybe like a few months ago, the last time I seen her go live, because it would always pop up in my notifications. But it seemed like she was happy, full of life, always around people, being silly, being herself. And she is very beautiful, transgender woman. Here's picture. I'm gonna show y'all a few pictures of her. Hopefully, y'all see them. Hold on. Here's one. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of her. So that was just a few pictures of her. But yeah, like it's shocking because soon as I seen the first live, I was just following, looking through pictures and stuff like that, and I quickly became a fan. So I ended up finding out about her death today. I'm guessing she passed away yesterday, and I ended up scrolling through Facebook and found out about her death today. So I'm going to search her name up and try to find a good article speaking on what happened. So yeah, so I'm looking at, what is this? Well, this is ABC 13 News. The website is WSET WSET.com. Woman killed in crash with utility truck, LPD says. And this is by Carolyn Keeley. This is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020. So under some photos in the video, which I don't think I want to show, is very upsetting. But it just showed the aftermath results of what happened. It says one person dead, another seriously injured in the crash on Rivermount and Early Street in Lynchburg, November 11th, 2020. And then it says, editor's note, see photos from the incident. Scene photos from the incident are included in this story. Some viewers may find these images graphic. I'm going to look. Hold on. I'm going to look. Um, yeah, I don't think I want to show these photos. So, it says Lynchburg. I guess this is in Virginia. It's VA. I guess that's Virginia. Two people are taken to the hospital after a crash in Lynchburg on Wednesday afternoon, and one later died, according to the Lynchburg Police Department. Police arrived at the scene on Rivermount and Early Street at 4 p.m. A vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed crashed into a utility truck, according to police. The two injured individuals were transported to Lynchburg General Hospital to be treated for significant injuries. Lynchburg police later confirmed one fatality in the crash. Police identified the deceased as Paris Valentina Carta, 28, of Lynchburg. The driver of the utility truck was not injured. That's it. So that's not saying much. Um, it's not on. So yes, it is Virginia. It's not on newsbreak.com. I knew I was right. You know what? I don't know. I don't know if I should or maybe not show the pictures of what happened. It's very graphic, and I don't want to get in trouble, so I just showed the pictures of what she looked like. I don't think I want to show these photos. Update. The Lynchburg Police Department identified Paris Valentina Carta, 28, of Lynchburg, as the woman killed in Tuesday's crash at the intersection of Rivermount Avenue and Early Street on November 11, 2020 at 4 p.m. Officers responded to that intersection for a report of a two-vehicle crash after a car traveling at a high rate of speed struck a utility truck. According to police, the female driver of the car, Paris Carta, died as a result of injuries sustained in the crash. A passenger from the car was transported to Lynchburg General Hospital with serious injuries, but the driver of the other vehicle was not injured. If you have any information about the crash, you are asked to call Officer A. Lucy at 434-455-6048. Then it says the Lynchburg Police Department is on the scene of a deadly crash on Rivermount Avenue and Early Street. According to police, Rivermount is closed and traffic is being diverted down Biddeford Avenue. One person is killed. Two people were taken to the hospital. Yeah, they ain't saying much. Okay, I'm not gonna show those photos. They're just showing this Paris. I'm not gonna show those photos. Not they wasn't like body photos or nothing like that. But I was trying to find some more photos of her, but they are mug shots, which I don't want to show. This is in dedication to her, and I personally am not going to show no mugshot photos. No. But my deepest condolences goes to the family, the friends, those who knew and loved her, all the fans around the world. This is a very shocking death, very unexpected, because like I said, it's crazy because I follow people on Facebook, or I have Facebook friends who I've known for some years, maybe months or whatever. And they've really, like, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if I knew them personally or not. It does hurt me when you know somebody, well, know of somebody, and then after a while you find out that something bad happened to them, or they died or something like that. So the story about Paris, it was very shocking, and it's still upsetting as I'm speaking. Um, because I guess, like, people always posting pictures of transgender women they think are pretty, and then you see them as a boy, then you see them as a girl. Well, after they're transitioning. And she was one person who pictures I've seen a few years ago, and then next thing you know, being a gay person myself and being in Facebook groups and stuff like that, I just happened to be looking through Facebook profiles of people in the LGBT community, and her profile popped up, so I followed her, and then when she went live, I caught a few live broadcasts. Um, it's just it's just crazy. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, it's just shocking and it's crazy. And it's a lot of people on her page posting heartfelt her Facebook page posting heartfelt I can't talk. It's a lot of people posting heartfelt posts on Facebook, using videos of her, pictures of her, pictures of her and them that they shared together. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not gonna read the post, but it's a lot of people who's posting videos of her, um, pictures of her, stuff like that. And then there's a few people that's posting where they found articles at. It's crazy. But I don't want this video to be too long. So, like I said, I'm sending my deepest prayers and condolences to the family, friends, loved ones, and all who knew and loved her. May she rest in peace. And my prayers also go to the passenger of the car who uh I don't know any further news on. My prayers also go to the driver of the utility truck as well.